We used to call it automatsko paljenje nogom 6 puta, and this would be in English the automatic start up 6 times, guys. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to another vintage video. This is TOMOS APN 6. This is a moped from 1984, and what it's really a wonderful thing regarding this one, guys, this is completely stock, guys, really completely stock. The color, it's stock. The fuel tank, it's stock. The handlebar, it's stock. It has that, you know, chopper like handlebar. It has also the stock exhaust, and it really works, it really runs very nicely. So, you know, about the APN 6, there are a lot of stories, there are a lot of let's say rumors today. This is a legendary TOMOS model, I have to mention it. This is a model that was very popular in my youth, and at that time we were saying that it is a bit special because of its name, APN. In fact, there is nothing that would explain this abbreviation, but we used to call it automatsko paljenje nogom 6 puta, and this would be in English the automatic start up 6 times, guys. Previously I told it in Serbian language, but you know, that time it was Yugoslavia and we all spoke Serbo-Croatian. Nowadays we have Slovenia, but times are like I just mentioned, we all speak all these languages. This is the true monument, I would say, of that times, and it has a lot of fans also today's, and I have to be honest, I like it even today. So let's go into details, guys, really, let's go. This is the complete stock color, and the exhaust, it's also stock, as you can see, guys. It has a 50cc 2-stroke air-cooled engine that produces 2 horses and half, and here you can see that this model was without mirrors and also without the speedo, so only crucial things to ride it were available on this model, and this is among the first models of APN 6 from 1984. So the front forks are telescopic, and at the rear you have let's say double shock suspension. It has a center stand and a very cool round headlight that you can see, also completely stock, guys. And that time mopeds were with a lot of chrome, and also this one, it's just like I said. So here you can see the handlebar, it's chromed, the exhaust, at least the first part, it's chromed, and the spark plug here, as you can see, and air cooled, just like I mentioned. There it's Bing carburetor, Bing number 12, and everything it's very in a good state, I have to mention it. So nowadays you can hardly find one like this, because this one it's really stock. Let's see something else, guys. What it's really worth mentioning, and it's not stock, it's the siren here. As you can see, this is a copy of the standard or stock siren. The previous one was broken, and the owner decided to replace it with this one. Otherwise, a very cool looking moped from 1984. And like I said, automatsko paljenje nogom 6 puta in Serbian. How many nice experience we had with this moped, guys. You would probably remember. Those of you that are older, really wonderful. So 4 gears, 50cc engine, and a very nice and recognizable TOMOS sound, guys. The rear drum brake and the front drum brake, and the single seat that is very soft. This chromed handle here was very useful for the pillion every time that you were riding two up, guys. This one has also the foot pegs for the pillion. This is all, guys. This was TOMOS APN 6 from 1984. This is a nice moped, and a very special thing is that it is stock, guys, really completely stock, and we have to keep these bikes in this shape, this condition. This is our legacy, this is our heritage, and I am glad that I filmed this one right now, and I hope that you enjoyed, that you had fun. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. Till the next one.